Hello students, I am Miss Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 3rd Maths, chapter number 1 and video number 4. That's why I have written here part 4. So chapter number 1, 4th video is there. That's why I have written here part 4. So see, today in this class I am going to teach you more than, less than. So sometimes the question is asked, 1 is 1 more than 500, 6 less than 200, like this some questions are asked. So this I am going to tell you first. So see here, sometimes the question is asked, for example, means I am giving you the topic here, more than and less than. So first of all I will clear you the terms written here, more than and less than. If the sentence is having the word more than means you have to add some more numbers to it which will be given in your question. Less than means you have to decrease some number from that given number. Okay, so for example I am giving you first for more than, means one example for more than. First example, like 1 more than, for example question is 1 more than 79. So 1 more than 79, it is not a big thing, you are understanding, simply 1 more. So read the sentence carefully, 1 more than 79. After 79 you have to add 1 more, simply. So this is 79 plus 1, the answer is 80. Simply in this way you can find the number, 1 more than 79. More than what? 79. After 79 you have to add 1 more, that is 80. 79 plus 1 is 80. So now your next question is 1 less than. For example, I am giving you, first I am telling you one more example for 1 more than. For example, I am telling you 6 more than. 6 more than 500. So I think you have understood the first example, so easily you can solve the second example. 6 more than 500. After 500 means in 500 you have to add 6. 6 more. 6 more you have to add means plus 6. 6 more than 500 means plus 6. 6 more. 6 more means you have to add 6. So 500 plus 6 is 506. I think this is very easy topic. I think you have understood from these two examples only. And rest, if you will practice the same kind of questions, you can easily solve the rest of the questions. Okay. So now less than. So now I am going to tell you regarding the less than few examples. So example number 1. For example, 1 less than. 1 less than, for example, I am writing a bigger number, one bigger number, that is 6,000. So 1 less than 6,000. If directly you are not able to subtract, you can just write in the column and subtract. 1 less. 1 you have to subtract. 1 less than means subtract. More than means you have to add. Less than means you have to subtract. Simple trick. 1 less. So after, before 6,000 what will come? 6,000 minus 1 is 5,999. How I am getting 5,999? Simply I am showing you here. See, 6,000 is written here and minus 1. You can write in column and you can subtract. 6,000 minus 1. So this is 6 becomes 5. This is 0. It will become 10. 10 will become 9. This will become again 10 because 1 carry we have taken. This will again become 9. 1 will go to the next. This will take. So it will become 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9, 9 and this is 5. So in this way we got the number. One more example I am telling you in less than. For example, 5 less than 295. For example, I am taking this number. 5 less than 295. So 5 we have to subtract. Okay, 5 we have to subtract. So 295 is there. 5 we have to subtract. Less than means minus 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 9 and 2. So see here 290. So this is the answer we got. So I think you have understood. If the question is asked, write 1 more than, 5 more than, 6 more than, then you have to add that numbers to the given numbers, and if it is asked 5 less than, 2 less than, 1 less than, like these questions, then you have to subtract that given numbers from the given number. Okay, rest of the given number. So see, in this way we have understood. I think you have understood less than and more than. Sometimes one more type of question is asked. It is related to your topic only, but directly the questions are not given. Okay, some indirect questions are given regarding the place value. I want to tell you. For example, the question asked is circle the number in which the place value of dash. This is the question. For example, sometimes this type of question is coming. This is regarding the place value. Okay, the topic is place value. Okay, circle the number in which the place value of, for example, I am taking here 7 is 70, and the option C, circle the number in which the place value of 7 is 70. The place value of 7, you have to see the place value of 7 is 70. In which number the place value of 7 is 70? From the given numbers like 47, 700, and I am taking 675. For example, see this box. Okay, so what is, you have to circle from these three numbers. You have to select one number from these three numbers in which the place value of 7 is 70. The place value of 7 is 70. 7 is 70 means tens place is 7. 7 is 70 means tens place is 7. So I think here in this number 7 is in ones place, means the place value of 7 is here 7 only. In this number the place value of 7 is 700, and in this number ones and tens the place value of 7 is 70. So this is the number which we want to find it out. 675. Here the place value of 7 is 70. Okay, in the same way some more questions I am telling you. For example, 8 is 800, and I am giving you the options 987, 835 and 308. For example, this options I had given you 8. So you have to find the place value, means the place value of the 8 is 800. Means in these three numbers, which number is there in which the place value of 8 is 800. Here now find out 8 place value of 8 here is 80, because ones and tens is there, so it is 80. Here the place value of 8 is 800, and here the place value of 8 is 8, and the question is place value of 8 is 800. This is the number. So this is the correct answer. So in this way we can solve the question. The question was circle the number in which the place value of the given number is this. So you have to see among all the rest of the given numbers which numbers are given, which place value is which, means all the numbers you have to see what are the place value of the given digit. Here the place value of 7 was asked, whose place value was 70, and the place value of 8 was asked, whose place value was 800. So in this way we can find. I hope you have understood this, and try to practice more and more questions so that you can easily solve. Thank you for watching.